Pools are to be enjoyed, not worried about. Traditionally, pool cleaning demanded time, effort and energy, but that has changed. Meet the Hydro Pool Cleaning Robot, a state-of-the-art solution designed to handle the hard work for you. With our exclusive ultrasonic sensors and AI-driven mapping technology, it scans your pool in real time, calculates the most efficient cleaning route, and ensures every area is thoroughly covered. Efficient, precise and intelligent, engineered to adapt to a wide range of pool designs, and it doesn't work alone. Our exclusive surface cleaning buoy cleans the surface while the robot cleans the floor. Control it right from your phone. Select auto program, set a schedule, or take manual control anytime, anywhere. An intelligent obstacle avoidance system keeps the machine moving without interruption. Smooth, agile movements help reduce cable tangling. Seamless switching between corded and cordless power adds flexibility. Advanced underwater remote control. No external connection. Direct operation anywhere in the pool. Easy to retrieve, highly intelligent, and capable of automatic docking. A clean pool with truly effortless care. Hydro Robot Pool Cleaner. Smarter cleaning, easier living.